When considering help desk software for your business, TeamSupport is an option that promises to streamline your support system. But before you commit, there are 12 things you need to know. Comparing it to its competitors like Zendesk, Freshdesk, or Zoho Desk will break down the key features that could make or break your decision. Stick around until the end, because we'll also tell you a better option you can try for free. First off, TeamSupport is known for its robust ticketing system, but it's designed to cater to teams that work closely together, unlike Zendesk or Freshdesk, which tend to lean more towards individual support agents. If you're in a collaborative environment, TeamSupport might be your best bet, as it allows agents to work seamlessly together, ensuring a more integrated approach to customer support. Next, the platform offers strong customization options. Whether you're looking to adjust the dashboard or tweak your workflows, TeamSupport offers a high level of flexibility. Compared to competitors like Zoho Desk, which can be a bit rigid out of the box, TeamSupport makes it easier to tailor the software to your specific needs. The third thing to note is its customer portal. TeamSupport allows your customers to submit tickets and track progress through a branded portal. This can help improve your customer experience, but do keep in mind, some other platforms like Freshdesk offer more advanced features in this area, like multi-channel support, which could be more beneficial depending on your business. The fourth thing is its reporting and analytics features. TeamSupport offers detailed reports that can track ticket trends, response times, and team performance. While competitors like Zendesk also offer reporting, TeamSupport's reports are often praised for being more accessible and easier to interpret, especially for smaller businesses. Moving on, TeamSupport offers great collaboration tools, including internal notes and private messages. These features are essential when your team needs to discuss tickets internally without the customer knowing. While this isn't unique to TeamSupport, it's an area where it performs as well, if not better, than Zendesk and Freshdesk, thanks to its user-friendly interface. The sixth thing is the integration options. TeamSupport integrates with popular CRM systems like Salesforce, allowing you to sync customer information easily. However, compared to some competitors like Zoho Desk, TeamSupport could be a little behind in offering a broader set of integrations, which may be a deal breaker for businesses that use specialized software. The seventh thing to mention is its automated workflows. TeamSupport enables you to automate responses and ticket assignments, saving time for your team. While competitors like Freshdesk excel in this area with more advanced AI-driven automation, TeamSupport offers solid automation features that might be sufficient for businesses that don't need super advanced automation. Now, let's talk about its knowledge base. TeamSupport has a fully integrated knowledge base, allowing you to create helpful articles for your customers. While it's a great feature, it might not be as robust as the knowledge bases available in Zendesk, which offers more advanced search and AI-powered suggestions. Next, TeamSupport is known for its customer support. While Zendesk offers 24/7 live chat and phone support, TeamSupport's support is more personalized, but might not be as readily available at all hours. However, its dedicated account managers make it a good option for businesses that prefer a closer relationship with their support team. The ninth thing you need to know is pricing. TeamSupport's pricing is competitive, but it may seem a bit on the expensive side compared to alternatives like Freshdesk. The software is priced on a per agent basis, which could add up quickly, especially for smaller teams. However, for larger organizations, the pricing is more aligned with the value you're getting. Moving on, TeamSupport allows you to handle multi-channel support, including email, chat, and phone support. This flexibility gives you the ability to offer a wide range of options to your customers, but if you need social media integration or multi-channel ticketing beyond email, you might find competitors like Zendesk a better fit. The 11th thing to consider is scalability. TeamSupport is great for small to medium-sized teams, but if you're planning to scale up quickly, you might find that it lacks some of the enterprise-level features offered by platforms like Zoho Desk or Zendesk, especially around advanced reporting and analytics. Lastly, TeamSupport excels in customer feedback. With built-in surveys, it's easier for you to track customer satisfaction, helping you identify areas for improvement. While some competitors offer feedback features, TeamSupport's is particularly seamless and easy to implement. In conclusion,